Want to make extra money online? Imagine turning your free time into a steady stream of income, all from the comfort of your home. Looking for simple tasks that anyone can do, tasks that don't require any special skills or prior experience? Captcha typing and tapping might be perfect for you. These tasks are straightforward and can be done by anyone, regardless of their background. These easy methods let you earn cash with just a few clicks, no special skills required. All you need is a bit of time and a willingness to work. In today's digital world, opportunities to earn money online are everywhere. The internet has opened up countless avenues for people to make money from home. From freelance work to online surveys, there's something for everyone. You can choose tasks that fit your schedule and interests. But if you're looking for truly simple tasks that pay real money, Captcha typing and tapping are great options to explore. These tasks are easy to understand and can be done at your own pace. Whether you're a student looking for pocket money or someone wanting to earn extra cash in your free time, these methods offer a flexible and accessible way to boost your income. You can work from anywhere at any time. All you need is a computer or smartphone and an internet connection. With these tools, you can start earning money right away. Let's dive into the world of Captcha typing and tapping and discover how you can start earning money online today. We'll guide you through the steps and show you how easy it is to get started. So why wait? Start your journey to earning extra cash online now. With just a few clicks, you can be on your way to financial freedom. Captcha typing is a simple online task that helps websites tell humans and bots apart. You've probably seen captchas before. They're those puzzles that ask you to type in distorted text or identify images. When you type a captcha correctly, you're proving that you're a real person and not a computer program. This helps websites prevent bots from creating fake accounts, spamming comments, or scraping data. Captcha typing is incredibly easy. You just need to look at the captcha image, type the characters you see in the provided box, and submit your answer. If you're correct, you'll be allowed to proceed on the website. Websites use captchas to protect themselves from malicious bots. Bots are automated computer programs that can perform tasks much faster than humans. While some bots are harmless, others are designed for malicious purposes. For example, a bot might try to create thousands of fake accounts on a social media platform or flood a website's comment section with spam. Captchas help prevent these types of attacks by ensuring that only real humans can interact with the website. By using captchas, websites can protect their users, prevent fraud, and ensure the integrity of their data. The earning potential for captcha typing varies depending on several factors, including the website you use, your typing speed, and the amount of time you dedicate to it. On average, you can expect to earn around 50 cents to $2 per hour. This might not sound like a lot, but for many, it can be a useful way to make some extra cash. While this may not seem like much, it's a straightforward way to supplement your income without needing any special qualifications. It's important to remember that captcha typing is an incredibly easy task that requires no special skills or experience. You don't need to undergo any training or invest in expensive equipment. You can do it from anywhere in the world at any time, whether you're at home, in a cafe, or even while traveling. This flexibility makes it an attractive option for many people, making it a great option for earning extra income in your spare time. You can fit it around your existing commitments, whether that's a full-time job, studies, or family responsibilities. It's important to note that captcha typing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a simple way to earn small amounts of money online by completing easy tasks. However, if you're consistent and dedicated, those small amounts can add up over time. Many people use captcha typing as a stepping stone to other online opportunities, gaining experience and confidence in the process. So, while it may not make you rich, captcha typing can be a valuable part of your online earning strategy, especially if you're just starting out. Section 5. Top websites for captcha typing. Numerous websites offer captcha typing jobs. Here are a few of the most popular and reliable options. A well-established platform with a user-friendly interface and a wide range of captcha types. Known for its high payout rates and low minimum withdrawal limits, a popular choice for its fast captcha loading times and regular payment schedules. Before you start working on any captcha typing website, it's essential to do your research and choose a reputable platform with positive user reviews. Section 6. Tips for maximizing your captcha typing earnings. While Captcha typing is a straightforward task, there are a few tips you can follow to maximize your earnings. The faster you can type, the more Captchas you can solve per hour, leading to higher earnings. Captcha typing websites tend to have more work available during peak hours, typically in the evenings and on weekends. Diversifying your income streams by working on multiple platforms can increase your earning potential. By following these tips and putting in consistent effort, you can maximize your earnings from Captcha typing. Section 7. Make money by tapping exploring mobile apps. In addition to Captcha typing, you can also earn money online by tapping on your smartphone. Several mobile apps offer rewards for completing simple tasks, such as watching videos, playing games, or taking surveys. Tapping apps are a great way to earn passive income while you're on the go. You can complete tasks during your commute, while waiting in line, or even while watching TV. Tapping apps typically reward users with points or virtual currency, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Section 8. Best apps for earning money by tapping. The world of tapping apps is vast, but some apps consistently rank high in user satisfaction and earning potential. Here are a few popular options to get you started. Swagbucks, a versatile platform that offers a wide range of earning opportunities, including watching videos, taking surveys, and shopping online. Inbox Dollars, known for its high-paying surveys and cashback rewards for online purchases. My Points, a rewards program that lets you earn points for activities like reading emails, playing games, and completing surveys. When choosing a tapping app, it's essential to read reviews and compare earning potential to find the best fit for you. Section 9. Combining Captcha typing and tapping for maximum profit. To truly maximize your online earnings, consider combining Captcha typing with tapping apps. This strategy allows you to earn money from multiple sources simultaneously, boosting your overall income. For example, you could spend a few hours each day completing Captcha typing tasks, and then switch to tapping apps during your downtime. By diversifying your earning methods, you can create a sustainable income stream and reach your financial goals faster. Section 10. Success stories, real people earning real money. Countless individuals are earning money online through Captcha typing and tapping apps. While success stories rarely involve becoming overnight millionaires, they demonstrate the potential of these platforms. Online forums and communities dedicated to making money online are filled with testimonials from people who have successfully supplemented their income through these methods. These stories highlight that with dedication and consistency, anyone can earn extra money online through simple tasks like Captcha typing and tapping. Section 11. Start earning today, your journey to $100 a day. While earning $100 per day solely from Captcha typing and tapping might be challenging, it's not impossible. It requires a combination of patience, consistency, and a willingness to explore various online platforms that offer these opportunities. Reaching this goal requires dedication, strategic planning, and potentially exploring additional online earning opportunities. You might need to diversify your efforts by engaging in other online tasks, such as freelance writing, taking surveys, or even selling products online. Remember, the key is to start small and gradually increase your earnings over time. It's important to track your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Begin by setting realistic goals, such as earning a few dollars per day, and then gradually increase your workload as you become more comfortable. Setting daily, weekly, and monthly targets can help keep you motivated and focused. As you gain more experience, you can take on more complex tasks and explore higher-paying opportunities. This might include learning new skills or leveraging existing ones to offer services that are in demand. With persistence and the right mindset, you can turn simple tasks like Captcha typing and tapping into a reliable source of extra income. It's all about building a routine and sticking to it, even when progress seems slow. So why wait? Start your journey to earning money online today. Embrace the process, stay committed, and watch your efforts pay off over time. The journey to $100 a day starts with a single step, and that step can be taken today.